is she? I have come to show you who I am. The minute I have come for your Asangwa and I came prepared. You want to drag my man with me or where? Asangwa, have you gone? You want to take an hour from me? I will not let you do it.
Pukala,
I've come around. I am mad.
What's the meaning of this now?
The minute I have come to deal with you.
Respect yourself.
Get him there, man.
Akudo. Give me my man. I'm looking for my trouble, Akudo.
I will give you trouble. I will not allow a small girl like you.
Respect yourself.
Take my hand from me. I'm a man. You will not take my man from me. Who are you?
What is
it?
What is
it? Want this girl? Want this girl to leave my husband alone? Huh? Tell her to leave my husband alone, Asangwa. I will kill you. Hey!
See my dog, imagine my customer's clothes. Akudo, don't touch my dummy again.
If I touch his skin, if I touch his skin, you do what? Get a cake here, Master. Get a cake here, man. Get a cake here, man. Get a cake here, man.
Akudo.
Who is that? Who is that mad person hitting my head like that? Come, where is this? Momo get one. Where are you? Down my leg. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Oh. You. I have come for you, you shameless betrayal. I have come to show you that my sister has someone like you.
Are you this idiot? When did you start opening my gate to any animal you see on the street?
Madam, I'm sorry.
Are you mad?
Wait a minute. Linda, did you just call me an animal?
Listen, if you dare come more closer, I will teach you a strong lesson that would make you to run away anytime you see any pregnant woman without anyone chasing you.
Afoma, please, stop. When did you come to this house? Sister, I am done with my exams. And I have come to show this fool, this thing, that she cannot come here and take your husband from you. Okay, you are going inside. Alu, you're Maggie. You are going inside.
Afoma, stop.
Okay, I am here for you.
Afoma, what is it? What has come over you? Can't you see that Linda is pregnant?
Sister, no, she is not. She is not. I am going to teach her the very lesson of her life.
Afoma, stop. I'm not complaining and I'm taking everything, every insult they are giving me in this house. I'm taking it in good faith.
Sister, it's a lie. It's a lie. It's not me.
Akudo, you're trying
I will deal with you.
Akudo, you're trying me, Akudo.
I will kill you.
Leave
my husband alone.
Hey.
Leave my husband alone.
Akudo,
Respect yourself. Leave my husband alone. I will kill you. I will kill you.
You don't do anything, Akudo. You don't do anything.
You should stop fighting now. Stop fighting.
You.
I'm getting out here. What's going on now?
I will take. I will kill you now.
Sorry, man. Touch me again. You know what? I'm going to fire you. What the hell?
The way you want to fight. Come back and fight, Joe.
Come
back and fight.
She slapped you. Your wife slapped you. Your wife slapped you.
I am waiting for you at home.
Hey.
Come back to the house.
Come back and fight, you don't want to fight again.
Hey.
Come back and fight.
Your wife slapped you.
Hey, nonsense woman.
It's okay. Anayo, second slap in 2 minutes. Hey, from east and west, slap is landing on your face. You see, this is my cheek. He's too fragile for a slap to land on it. Never! Anna. What did I do?
You are still here talking. Are you still here talking? You don't want to go. You don't want to go. You must Afoma, please. I can't remember complaining to you or anyone. I don't want you or anyone to fight my battle for me. This is my cross and I'm carrying it. Please, I don't want it to cause problem for me and my husband. Afoma, please don't do this to me. Please. I don't want troubles. I don't want any troubles, Afoma. Please.
I am not here to listen to your pleas. I am here to deal with that thing.
Afoma.
Afoma, can you stop? Can you stop? Can you betrayal? She betrayed you. Can't you see?
I'm not complaining. I'm happy. I'm happy. Please.
Really?
I don't want you to cause problem between me and my husband. Afoma, please. Just calm down. Afoma.
And you, what are you doing here? What are you just doing here?
Mrs. Ocham, it's okay. Please. Ozugo.
You are sorry. Yeah, I need sorry. Because of that charcoal. If I'm not spying upon you, you see the rubbish I used to take from her is because of you. But let me tell you something. Enough is enough. Ozugo. Do you understand me? I am the mother of your own child, your son. Who is she? Okay, you see Biggie. Why am I washing up? They see from Biggie. We can't know better do for all my dummies. Do you see my clothes? Do you see my customers' clothes? You see me, you are sorry. Papa.
Ozugo. I don't know the meaning of all these things. Okay. It's okay. Please.
You will still know the meaning, no? Your wife thinks she's mad, Abby. You don't tell her that I have half current and full current. And when blue and black wire, I'm going to get that or spark here. You don't tell her. You go down that both a man alone, and I'm okay. Man, it's all right. She will see madness. It's okay.
Maybe she's looking at your skin color, but she doesn't know your profile is not normal.
I'm okay now.
But let's just forget about her.
I'm not going to okay, Abby. You don't tell her that I'm not all right. Keep the color aside, though. One day, I don't look for people's trouble in this village, but if you look for my trouble, I will give it to you. Double. I'm walk. Do what's your life here? Tomorrow. Pick up apple. Come and go. I want to go back to my house because I'm done for the day. I'm an entrepreneur.
I should go.
I'm an entrepreneur. Come and start going.
I've told you.
What do you tell me? See my shop because I'm with your wife. Why are you do walk? For bam everything I know, nothing to show for it.
You see that? No problem. That's how I did it. I will deal with her. Krum, bless me. I will deal with that girl. Oyeko, who is she? Huh? Who is she?
Ako, you did well. Okwefulogwa. Hey, as someone, we see what she is looking for in this village. But I do not blame her. I blame my brother. But you see that my useless brother, he definitely will see what he is looking for too.
Hey! I don't blame them. I don't blame her someone. I blame her sheep. If not, where will she see my husband to drag with me? A big kogafia. Eh? But don't worry. For her to make me lose my only child, though. Eh? I swear, I will stop at nothing until she loses her son. I will deal with her.
One. Ako, if Logwa, I am with you day in, day out. If someone, but I blame my brother. I have said it before and I will say it again. When he was busy collecting gift items from her, did we not warn him? How will I know?
How will I know? No, eh? How will I know? But don't worry. Let me go to my shop and lock it. I'm coming. Let her bring her war. When I saw this village, I will show her.
I trust you. For her. I'm a fear her into pieces. As someone, what you are looking for, you got
Hello, baby. They have killed me, oh. They have killed me. Yes. Her sister was supporting her. Baby, you better come back, oh. You better come back before these people will finish me here. Yes. I'm waiting for you, oh. Okay. I'm waiting.
Please, I'm so sorry for what my sister did. I'm sorry.
You are not sorry yet. Just wait till our husband come back, you shall see. No, you are only mad at me just because I gave our husband what you couldn't give to him till you entered menopause. Is it my fault that you couldn't give him a child? How is it my fault?
Linda, I didn't come here for you to insult me. I came to apologize for what my sister did to you. If I had known she would be here, I would have stopped her. Yes.
You. Gloria, do I really look like a joke to you? No, I look like a big joke, yeah? If you can look into my eyes and tell such stupid lie, eh? You're nothing but a big fat liar. You can go and tell that to the birds of the sky, not to me. I'm not daft. Idiots. Listen, as for that your useless sister, by the time I'm done teaching her a strong lesson, she will learn never to cross her foot into this compound again. Idiots.
Linda, this is not fair. This is not right. My sister was angry because of the way you treat me.
Eh?
Please. What she did wasn't intentional. Let me ask you a question. What have I done to you? Just tell me, let me apologize if I've wronged you without knowing.
Gloria, your sister is angry because of the way I treat you or because of the way you treat me. Gloria, why are you such a cheap blackmailer? So you're making it look like I'm the one maltreating you, whereas you are the devil. You are the evil one here. You've been the one maltreating me in this house. Just because I did you a favor. You knew how you begged for this. Don't worry. Just wait. Our husband will soon get back.
Somebody property. You say someone say na your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say na your own. And the talk you the fight. You say na your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. What you go see? Bahala, you go see. Na trouble you go see. Bahala, you go see. When you go chase another woman,
How can you be asking me what you're supposed to do? You know what you're supposed to do.
It's not easy. It's not easy. Eh? I'm confused. Both of them are important to me. Akudo is my wedded wife in church. Why Asanwa has a child for me? It's important.
I like what you said now. This one, wedded wife. This one has a son. See, let me tell you. If I were you, I would choose the one that has a son for you. Who has wedding never help? Wedding is a rubbish thing. When you had your wedding, who and who came? They only came there to drink the drink. Even me, I did not even give you money that day. I did not give you money. Other people that came, they did not give you money. They came there and drank and left. So you are still talking about wedding. Who talks about wedding this time? We should be talking about son. Son is more important than wedding. This one has a son for you. She is more important. That's what is called importance, important test. See, Asanwa is important test. Akudo is important. Yes. So follow your son. Somebody that will succeed you when you die.
You think it's easy? You think you just say it like that and it's easy? It's not easy. That's what is called wedded wife in church. The one the church recognizes is Akudo. In as much as Asanwa has been very, very supportive to me since I came back to this village. But think of it now.
Marry Asanwa.
What kind of problem?
Marry Asanwa. I know what I'm telling you. Marry Asanwa. You are a man. You are an African man. You are entitled to many wives. Yes, now.
So I will marry 2 wives.
2. So 2. Look at you. Let me tell you. You read your Bible. In the Bible, Goliath, how many did he marry? David, how many? Solomon married 1 village. Do you understand? Zacchaeus, who did it? Everybody in the Bible, they did it. Stop this thing that you are the man, you can do it. Yes, you can marry as many as you want. If you want, I can even organize another one for you. That will give you another son. See, let me tell you. You have to caution Akudo. The way she's going about this thing, she's overspeed, you know. Because it's obvious that she cannot give you another child. Yes. If not, she would have done that since her child died. Now you have a someone that gave you a son. S-O-N. Eh? S-O-N. Every family will have it. So that when you die, by the time you breathe last, your son will take over. Now, if you lose this son, don't let Asangwa take your son and run away. If Asangwa take your son and run away, your life will run away. Yes. You know what to do. So think well.
Okay, you're right. All right, because Solomon married plenty wives.
Solomon killed this village. 300 wives and 700 concubines. Oh, what am I being talking? One community. He should not come back to this earth again.
He's dead.
Hi! So let me tell you what you have to do. Go home and make the right choice now. Make the right choice now. You see that boy, that beautiful boy, don't lose him. Look at you and look at this boy. You don't need anybody to tell you that this is your son, in whom you are well pleased. Go home there now and decide on what to do. Marry someone and carry your son and go. If you wait, or do you want me to marry someone?
Sister, what is it? You came back so early. You're crying. Sister, what happened?
Nothing happened. Just leave me alone.
It's Akudo, right?
Who else if not Akudo?
Hi.
No, tell me, who else if not Akudo? Akudo had the guts to come to my shop and put down all my dummies and clothes. Oh, Jesus. I will tell Akudo that I'm not the woman that she can mess around with. The one I gave her today, eh? Yeah, hey.
Sister, I agree with you. Her own is becoming too much. Whatever she wants, give it to her.
What else does she want apart from fight? I will give her that fight today. You see today, I only came back to change my clothes. I am going to her own shop. They will gather for me and her today.
Very good.
I got today for us to separate. I will deal with her. She took me on her ways, Abi. No problem. Meanwhile, where is Paul?
He's sleeping. He has eaten already.
Okay. No problem. Let her do whatever she wants to do on earth. I will tell her that I'm the one that has the key to Amayo's life. I hold the key to his heart. She will not do anything, no. So if she wants fight, let me change. I will go back. We'll find her fight today.
Give it to her. Sister.
For my people, please. Please. Sister, why are you begging me? Can't I visit my sister again? No, I didn't say that. Afoma, you can visit me anytime, any day. But since things is like this, I think you have to go. But come to think of it, it's not her fault. If I had given Omenife a child, I don't think Linda would be here insulting me. So it's my cross. Please.
I don't care. Sister, you helped that lady. Why would she turn against you?
Afoma, I'm not complaining. Wait, let me get you water to drink. Then you go. I will make out time to see you. Stop all this thing you're doing. See, that girl is a mad dog. You have to walk it.
Iyamba. Mpite kweno. Iyamba.
Madam, you don't have strength. So stop backing like.
Onye ekuzi.
I think you should shut up. Calm down. You know I love you. Hold on, you need water.
Then what am strength?
Akudo! Where is she? Akudo! Where is Akudo?
She has gone back to her shop.
She has gone back to her shop?
Yes, brother, why are you doing this? Why not wake up from your sleep and call a spade a spade?
Are you mad? Are you talking to me like that?
Why will I not talk to you like that? Tell me why.
Wait, so you've grown wings? You now talk to me anyhow? Okay? You've joined Akudo. Akudo will come back here and meet me. She will tell me why she slapped me here.
She will tell me what gave her the guts to slap me.
Brother, I am not sure she slapped you well. Truth they say is bitter. If you want to kill me because of telling you the truth, Mr. Boaderia, are you happy with the way they are killing themselves, fighting up and down in this village? You are the cause of this problem.
Are you talking to me?
Why would I not talk to you in that manner?
You are talking to me. So you've grown, eh?
I will not.
No, you've grown.
I don't think she slapped you well. She did not slap you well. She did not.
Everybody now talks to me the way they like. If I say one, they will say 20. No problems. Akudo will come back to this house.
You're not ashamed of yourself. You feel like they make you woman rapper. You are not ashamed of yourself. Look at you. I don't think she slapped you well. She did not. She did not slap you well. I'm not sure she slapped you well. If she had slapped you well, your 32 will be on the ground. She did not slap you well. She did not slap me well. No, she did not.
So this my chick that is ready is not slap, Abi?
I'm not seeing that fingerprint. You can't even go sense. You can't even go sense. You don't have sense. You don't have sense.
Afoma, please. You have to go. You have to go. She has called Omenife. Omenife will soon be here. I don't want trouble. Sister, I am not going anywhere. Let him come and beat me. Hey. Afoma, why are you like this? Good, he's back. Hey, let me see how your husband will be here. I'm starting with you.
Why did you open this gate for this fool? And so? This is my house. I tell you who to open the gate for or not. Huh?
In-law, did you just slap him for my sake?
No.
Hey!
Mad?
Omenife.
Are you mad?
Omenife.
This is my house. I tell you who to open the gate for or not. Oh, you brought your sister to come and beat my wife, right?
No, Omenife, I swear. She didn't fight your wife.
If she doesn't leave now, I will call the police to pick her up.
Omenife, she didn't fight your wife. She can't fight your wife.
Oh.
She didn't fight.
You now talk back at me. When I'm talking, you talk. I can see you got guts.
I'm not talking.
But remember the consequence.
Hey.
Okay? Just remember. Now tell her to leave.
Afoma, you have to go. Afoma.
Sister! Hey, you slapped me. You slapped me because I came to do justice to what you and your harlot of a wife did to my sister.
Ose harlot. I am the harlot Omenife.
Wife harlot?
No, she's referring to you. Omenife.
Nga illegal. No, I say illegal.
Omenife.
Nga illegal. Nga illegal. Nga illegal. One day, I'm talking now. Hey, I'm talking now. Hey, Omenife. Go now. Omenife.
I will take it on the gun now. I will find it.
Okay. 1,000 naira.
Yes, that's what I have.
Okay. Are you sure we have 800 naira inside?
800. It should be 900 naira.
It's 800 naira. My apple is 100 naira.
Uh-uh.
You will fight me today. Hey, where is she? Where is that one? Akudo, come out. You want to fight?
Akudo, come on.
Come and fight. Come and fight me. Hey, you want to fight, Abi?
What is it?
You want to fight? No. You think you're mad?
Stop that now.
I'll be beating with this place.
No. Let's let her be.
Come on, fight.
Hold on.
Who are you? Who are you? My shop, what can you do? What can you do? My shop. I said, what can you do? I am not living, no. I am not living this house. I am not living this house. Oh, not if you and your husband want to come out and fight me. I am not living this house. I am not living this house. I am not living this house. Come and fight me. Linda, Linda. Oh, I don't mind if you are pregnant. I don't mind. I'm not forgive Mama also. I'm not forgive Mama also.
Auntie.
No problems. Auntie. No problems.
Auntie, calm down. Why not you begin to go? I tell you, my oga don't call police. Oh. My oga don't call police.
I am not afraid of the police. They should come and fight me. Or many family, his wife should come and fight me. I am not afraid of them. Hey! Okay! Okay now! I'm not here for. I'm not here for. I'm not here for. I'm not here for Linda. I'm not from Baba. Linda, I'm not from Baba. Baba! Because I will deal with you. I will deal with you, Linda. I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Linda, I will deal with you, Linda. Don't worry, I will deal with you. Don't worry. Hey! Okay now.
You don't even they go. I think you know they fear police, but you don't work out they go. You don't even they go. I think you know they fear police, but you don't work out they go. Wow. Problem everywhere. Quarrel, fight, war everywhere. You don't they fear now they go. Can't they? The police can't carry you for here.
Honey, please. I'm sorry. My sister didn't fight her.
Hey, baby, this woman is evil. She's a witch. You're lying against me, even in my face. Oh my God. Honey, this man is evil. Because of what you just did now, it's now you and I in this house. Evil woman.
I'm sorry. You're really becoming a witch in this house. And listen, by the time I'm done with you and your sister, she will never set her feet in this house again.
But I said I'm sorry. Linda, why are you doing this to me? Linda, I can't remember offending you. Why are you tormenting me?
Baby, you have to tell this evil man stop calling my name. He's affecting the baby in my womb.
Sorry, baby, sorry. Sorry. Now listen, if you get me more angry, you will remain here until we are satisfied. Look at you. Baby, don't worry. Let's go inside so I can massage your bum bum, massage your back.
My back is even paining me.
What? Sorry. You think those your crocodile tears will deceive me?
I said I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
We have to buy a cane for her in this house.
Yes, no, don't worry. Soon we will lie you down. She will give you 20 shots of the cane.
And I said I'm sorry.
Don't follow.
I just said I'm sorry.
Sorry, kill that.
And then that boy, you know why you did this to me. God.
Look at the tears is not even coming out.
God.
So you can see me those tears.
What is the meaning of this? Why are both of you causing havoc in this community?
Iche, so you don't tell these fake organic products that she didn't run to cut myself to fight me? Amusua. I like him color. Like each are gonna ride already.
Look at her, She had the courage to come to my shop. She threw away my dummies. To put all my clothes. Hey, you come over and come to this city. Only this more. This.
Wait, stop! No, stop it! At the front of you should respect him. Hey! Police, stop it! Hey, boys! Take them to your Onoche's house. Onoche's tomato. Quickly! Move it! Move it, everybody! Move it!
Married man, with wife and kids.
It's okay, let's go.
You want to open a shop? I don't go shop. Move. Is that what? Forget about the shop. Hey, where's my key? Grab your house blast. She has blast.
No. Wait, Mama. Are you saying Akudo did well to slap me in public?
Yes, she did well. Did I not warn you? Shame on you, Anayo. Shame on you, Okembi. Keep your thing in one place you will not hear. Since you have decided to disobey me and go close to that girl that I warned you about, you will know no peace. As for that someone, she will have to fight me.
Mama, behave like a mother. Behave like a mother. Look at the kind of thing you're saying, that you join hands and beat her.
Anayo, if you dare insult me, I will lay a curse on you. Oh, I am not behaving like a mother. I am not behaving like a mother. Just because you have refused to put that thing in between your leg.
Mama, stop saying this. I'm a man, okay? I'm a man. I can marry as many wives as I want. Don't be taking it like it's a crime. I can marry, if I want to marry 10, 15, I can marry.
You cannot. You cannot.
Why?
It's only rich men who can do that.
But what do you mean?
Do you have money?
Aspiring rich men cannot marry.
Aspiring.
King Solomon.
Mama, Biko, I'm not insulting. I'm just telling you the fact, because all this war you people are looking for, you find it though. You find this war you're looking for.
Anayo, bring it on. We are ready. Bring your war. Bring your war. Kumu Israelites in Egypt war. Butie the war. Anya.
Akwe from Kegebo mwage chameleon slap. Different colors ke yanacha.
Story.
Muna get about war Israel. Muna get about war Israel. Okay, no wall. Akudo will meet me here. Akudo na bata. He got fear me. Akudo will come back and meet me.
Bring your war.
Just imagine that he can marry as many wives as he is. He is a man. Man indeed. Man indeed.
I don't know when this fight will end. I keep calling you people here, both of you, to settle it. With my age and experience in life, I know where it will end. If you do not stop this fight, someone may die from it.
She'll be the one to die.
Exactly.
She'll be the one to die.
You do not drag over a man. It is in the nature of a man to desire more than one woman. I have been saying this to you people, and this will be the last time I will summon you here for the matter.
Ichie, thank you, but sorry to cut you short. Sorry to cut you short, Ichie. This is my husband we're talking about. A man that married me with his own money. Tell this thing, a shower neighbor, to leave me alone.
Ichie, did you hear her?
She should leave my husband alone. We are not talking about boyfriend and girlfriend here. It's husband and wife matter.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
Ichie, Shabi, you heard her. No, you heard that Kudo now. She had the guts to call me a shawo mu akuna. Okwa the motole kai nwe, the mo hu ka na abia. It's okay.
Asam, Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Why should I be ashamed of myself?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Why should I be ashamed of myself?
Because he's a married man.
Is it my fault that Anayo wants to enter and he opened it
ahead?
Is it my fault that I have a son for Anayo?
Will you stop this careless talk before us? The elders are here. You can imagine this.
I cannot be ashamed though.
Huh? Oh no, please direct this matter quickly. Direct it. Boys, please go quickly and call Anayo for me.
Oh no, call.
We must end this matter today. Exactly. But this matter must be settled today. Okay. Yes. And not tomorrow. Imagine this kind of argument over this. The years.
Where is she? Where is your sister? Call her out!
Mama, welcome.
Who is your mother? Don't ever open your mouth to call me your mother again because I am not your mother. You don't know your mother? If you don't know your mother, go to her grave. Do you hear me? Where is your sister? In short, I am not here for you. I am here for Asanwa. Go and call her out. Call her to come out and fight me.
Mama, you don't have to involve my late mother in this. But my sister is not around.
I have gone to her shop. She was not there. That is why I am here to face her one-on-one. Call her wherever she is to come and fight me. Call her to come out.
Mama Nayo, this is not the way to talk. You didn't even greet your grandson.
Who is my grandson? I don't have a grandson here. I can never have a grandson from your evil sister. Tell your sister to mind her business. Tell her to mind herself. Oh. Tell your sister to leave my son and his wife alone. See, I am going to take this fight to another level. Tell her not to dare me. Tell her not to dare me. I am not your grandmother. Your mother is evil. Tell your mother to change. Tell her to change from her evil ways. Tell her to leave my son and his wife alone. Tell her someone. See, don't worry. I will be back.
Somebody property. You say someone say na your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say na your own. I am the talk with the fight. You say na your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. Wait till you go see, Bahala, you go see, no trouble you go see, Bahala, you go see. When you go chase another woman, Bahala, wait till you go see, not fighting every day, Bahala, you go see. Che, idikwan dikoko, yeah, ikelajinume. So fight to go the come over your way.
Wait. What did you do now? What Linda? What did you just do? What did you just do? Linda? Did you throw away my pants? What is what? These are my clothes. And as you can see, I brought them for them to be washed by you. I mean, why did you pour them on me? You're asking me a question. This is my house. I can choose to do anything I like. If you cannot stand it, you leave. Enolia, I am the one carrying your husband's child. I have every right to behave however I want. Enolia?
Yes, so you are very correct, my lord. You're right. She's right.
Can you imagine?
100%. My friend, keep quiet. I'm still talking. When I'm talking, you keep quiet. She's 100% correct. After all, she's the one carrying my child. The one you were unable to give to me. And listen, henceforth, you will do whatever she wants you to do in this house, provided she's happy. You got the guts to bring your sister, your younger sister, to come and fight my wife in my own house. Hey! Gloria, you haven't seen the other side of me, but very soon, you'll see it. Yes. Let's go, let me go and massage your waist. Let's meet this girl. Hey, my baby. Papa Ijima.
Wait.
With my soul. With my soul.
Gloria. Gloria, who are you singing for? Is it me you are trying to shade?
Leave her. Don't leave
Honey, can you hear her?
Leave this crocodile stairs. What should she do with so? Leave her, let her sing. Keep singing until you are done washing. By that time, your voice would have been cracked or even aching you.
You sing until you don't have voice again to sing.
Let's go, let me go and massage you.
And listen.
Leave her.
These are my nightwear. I need them tonight.
Wash everything.
Make sure you bring them tonight.
I don't want to see any stain.
Anayo, you're welcome.
Thank you, Chief.
Anayo, I called you here today because your wife and your mistress
mistress
have fought in this village. Enough. And this matter must be settled today.
Today.
Yes.
Today.
Else, we'll take the matter to the palace. You should settle the matter. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. Let's go.
Ichie, thank you very much for inviting me. And I'm glad that we all are here, at least to solve this matter once and for all. Okay. First of all, I want to start by asking a question. Is it bad for me to still be in communication with the woman that has a child for me?
You don't know how to talk. You don't know how to talk.
Shut up! Stop it! Allow him to talk. Anayo, you are not wrong, but...
There's no but, Onoche. Anayo is a man enough. Let's call a spade a spade. He has right to do whatever he wishes to do.
Okay, I want to ask a second question, if you don't mind. Am I not old enough to marry 2 wives?
Well, yes, Anayo. Of course, that is the reason we call all of you here.
Yes.
You are old enough to take decision. Is this what I've just said now? And we are trying to make this matter end today. Of course, your wife is not happy. Akudo.
I am not happy. I am not happy. Cha.
Make your decision
That
straight.
is why I want this matter to end here today. Today.
She's not happy. Kagini.
There is penalty to what you are doing. Anayo,
I don't want that.
You have to do something.
My elders, first of all, I want to know if it's a crime. Or if our tradition forbids a man getting married to more than 1 wife.
Okay.
I guess no. Secondly, I am old enough to take my decision. So my decision is... I want to make her Sanwa my second wife.
Mama, you don't have to blame me. Mama, you see this matter? I'm on it. You people should leave it for me to settle. I am the one on top of it. Anywhere I go, people will be shouting, Ojuku, Ojuku, what is happening between Akudo, Anayo, and Asanwa? I'll tell them, calm down, calm down, calm down. Sometimes I talk to the press. They will say, can we interview you? I say, I'm going to settle it. People should not worry. All this is on my head. So don't blame me yet. I will settle it.
Ojuku, I will blame you. You are my son's friend, but you are not doing the right thing. Tell Anayo Chuku to leave that girl alone. Tell Anayo to leave Asanwa.
Mama, I have tried. You see Anayo? If not that he's a man, I will slap him one day. I have tried everything possible to make Anayo stay away from Asanwa. He refused. He said that he has a son. She has a son for me. I said, who has son ever helped? What is the son? What is there to have a son? Anybody can have a son. Highest, you have a son. What is there to have a son? And you're following Asanwa up and down. and you're causing your family problem. Why would you want to marry a woman that your family doesn't want? Your friend Ojukwu doesn't want. And he's insisting that he wants to marry the girl. No, I said no, it will not happen. Never!
Ojukwu, I want to ask you a question. Is that son Jesus Christ?
I wonder.
Hey, tell him to leave that boy.
He must.
When he grows up, he can come back to us. We will welcome him with open arms.
Exactly.
Anayo should come home and face his wife. He is not impotent. Neither is his wife barren. Therefore, they can still make babies.
Are you serious?
Tell him to come back and have time for his wife. He doesn't
have time for his wife.
He doesn't.
Ojukwu, did you hear that?
Oh.
Hey, tell that guy to be careful, oh. I will change it for her. As someone will see another side of me, oh. I have seen that if we don't join hand with Akudo to fight this fight will not end, though.
Hey, you know about this one. I will not take it. Anayo, anywhere you are now, kneel down and beg me. Asanwa, anywhere you are now, start crying.
Amen.
Because what I will do to both of you, I will separate you.
Amen.
I will separate you.
Amen.
Can you imagine? Everywhere you go, the people will be saying, Ojukwu, what are you doing in this case? If I go, I enter Okada, I go anywhere, the press will stop me on the road, be asking me, because this matter has been long. I will say them, I'll calm down. Pressman, I'll settle it. How long?
Ojukwu, leave too much talk. Put these words to action.
Action? You see action? Anywhere I see Anayo and Asanwa, action will be on their body.
Go.
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Don't bother yourself. As I'm going now, anywhere I see Asanwa, I'll beat her to pop.
Put fire and subadro.
Anywhere I see Anayo, I'm going to that house now. If I see Anayo there, Anayo will beg me. No, this is too much. Mama, ask me. Mama, it's not too much. This.
Onoche. Hey, Mazi. Anya chikotago bako. Manokore chikota. We've done all we could as elders in this community. But these ladies are bent in killing themselves. So I have exhausted my strength. I don't know about you. Left for me, if they want to kill themselves, the road is so very broad. They can go ahead.
Hey, Mazi. I have equally done my best on this matter. And if anything comes out of it, let nobody call me. Anayo is a man, and he should be able to handle his family problem as a man.
Yes. Onoche, you just amazed me. Also, if you want to class Anayo among men, you think him good. That's a wrong option. Is he a man enough? Is that how men behave? Someone that is under my son's tutelage, Ojukwu. If my son tells him, say A, he repeats after him. If my son Ojukwu tells him, say B, he simply repeats after him. He has no say of his own. Is that a person you want to class among men? That's wrong. That's wrong. On the other way around, I think he still has right to marry that lady if he wishes to. Yes.
I agree with you. If Anayo wants to marry Asanwa, he should do that. That should be the best for him to do. And Akudo should bear with him. Anayo should rise up like a man. He should do what pleases him.
Honestly, there's something I want you to know. If anybody in his right senses is advising any man here on earth to choose Asanwa as a second wife, that person is simply advising the person to dive inside the river Naija. Asanwa is not an option to match as a second wife. If you match Asanwa and Akudo together in no distant time, Akudo will die natural death. Because Asanwa is ready to do anything, whether to kill or not to kill. So leave that side.
Yes, that reminds me. What did Akudo say about his chief title?
That one. That man is simply an efflave. He couldn't even provide a faden for me to buy snuff the other day we hired meeting. Not even a bottle of beer, green bottle, he couldn't provide. And he has been blabbing that he will kill 5 cows, 6 goats. Just simply tell Igwe not to bother his head about him. Ihobobo and efflave. It's as simple as that.
See you do this, you do that.
Igwe should better think of better things than to give that one a title.
Johnny Watch.
Johnny Watch.
So it's just an efflave.
An efflave. An efflave. That's who he is. In fact, I don't want to see him near any of our meetings again.
Anaya, you must go with me today.
I will change it for you. I will change it for
must
you.
go home with me.
Leave me alone, no.
Leave him now. What's your problem? You are going home with me today. What's your problem, Akudo?
Leave me alone, no.
What's your problem, Akudo?
You want to naked me? You want to naked me?
You are already naked. You were naked while you went to this bottle pit. You're going home with me.
Who told you it's Boro Pit?
It's Boro Pit.
Thank you, my brother.
I know it's Boro Pit.
You said it's not Boro Pit.
All the 2 wives.
Also, no Boro Pit.
All the 2 wives.
Madam, you want to okay? Leave him alone. You should be ashamed of yourself, Akudo.
You naked me. You
Look
naked
at
me.
you.
You will get me here.
You naked me.
You must go home with me, Anaya. You are going home with me.
Seen it,
2 of you will give me today.
Anaya, can't you talk?
Leave. I will change it for you.
Change it for who?
Akudo, what's your problem?
Change it for who, Anaya? Change it for Onye.
You want to fight me? You want to fight me?
2 of you give me today.
What is your problem now? Leave him. Put up your hand. Leave him. Leave. Okay, I know what to go. I am holding her. Go. I'm holding her. Go.
It's not easy. She don't.
Leave her outside the logo. I will kill you. Leave her.
No,
Run
Sister
away.
Pando.
Run now. Run away.
Run! But after running, you meet me at home. You can meet him no more.
Gloria, what are you doing here? Come on, will you carry this nonsense you are eating and get out of this place immediately?
Linda, honestly, I don't know what to tell you. Why are you treating me like this?
You're asking me questions. Get out of here.
Linda, I can't believe you're doing this to me.
Baby!
Yes.
Baby, please come and hear what your rubbish wife is telling me.
What is it again? Claudia!
Can you imagine? Just because I told her to carry this nonsense she's eating and get out of this place because it's turning my stomach. It's making me want to vomit.
Why are you still there? Look at good food, look at what you're eating. She said she's the one to smell this thing. You take it away. Just stop now. We can't hide this house.
Omenife, you mean I should take my food out?
Yeruma is disturbing my baby. Take it away. You're asking questions.
Sit my body before I give you slap. Come, grab. Do that in the back. What is it? Why are you being wicked?
I will slap your wife, oh. I will slap her, oh.
Can't carry this poison out of that place. Somebody want to eat good food. You have to look at the food that you cook that look like shit. Sit back, what? Don't mind. Don't do it on the baby. Take them. Take it. Take it. Yo, wahala too much. Basically, the video.
Chameleon, Ojuku is a chameleon.
The only good wife in this village.
Ojuku, what is it?
The most verified wife in this village.
Hey, Ojuku, you are part of my problem in this village. You are my problem, Ojuku. Huh?
Am I the one that made your voice to change?
You are the one that made me lose my voice. You are the one that made me lose this voice, but don't worry. I have bought a kill for all of you. Bitakola is my mouth. Oh, I'm ready.
How can you say this thing? How can you say something like this? You are the only verified wife in this village. The only verified wife of Anayo, and you know I'm on your side. Your husband Anayo is very stubborn. I've been trying to control him, tell him what to do, but he will not listen. Who told you this thing about me, that I'm a bad person? Come on, friends.
Ojuku, I don't believe you.
If you don't believe me, you will not believe that Jesus will come again. Yes. See, let me tell you. You see that Asangwa? I am going to her house. By the time I get to her house, Asangwa will see, we know why they call me Ojuku or Jemba. I'm going to deal with her. Because all this is not an ism. It's only turning on my head.
Are you sure about this?
See, let me tell you. Oh, I don't have my phone. I will record it. If not, you see, when I get there, I will record it with my head. By the time you come, I'll play it to you. Go home and relax. As for these people, Asangwa, Anayo, anywhere you
let
are
it
now,
be. Oh.
Start crying.
I don't know if I should believe you or Ojuku. It can walk here, boy.
No.
You are like a chameleon.
I have only one tongue. I have only one tongue, and I'm using it well. So how can you say that I'm a bad person? Everybody in this village knows me that I'm a good man. Yeah. I'm going about helping people, arranging families, putting it in order.
Go. Eh? You know your problem is you talk.
I will deal with them.
Oh, you talk too much. Don't cry more than they bereaved. Eh?
No. This thing you said
now.
Don't
cry more than they bereaved.
Because now you're saying that your problem. People will be seeing me as a bad person. I'm a good man.
Don't worry. If you do this thing for me, leave it for me. Just go and do this thing for me.
You know, me. Are you planning something for me?
Let
me know. Anna, that's someone. Anywhere both of you are now, fall down and die.
Okay.
Because I will do with you. Go home. I'm going there. I see Asanwa's house. I'm going there now.
But don't worry. No matter what, I am ready for Asanwa.
You are ready? Yes, stand on your ground and finish her. Who is she? You are the verified wife. Yes. Every other wife is not verified. We don't know about that one. Go home, I'm coming. I'm dealing with them. Anayo, Asanwa, your carpet is off. I'm dealing with you people. Go home, I'm coming. Let me go and deal with them.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Let me pay.
Oh, okay. Chai. You sick about that?
Ah, yes, Papa.
Oh. Did you say Ojuku?
Yes, Papa.
Oh, of course. The trouble is there. Probably he's somewhere doing one or two things. It's full of trouble.
Where are you coming from?
My daughter, I'm just coming from Onoche's house. We went there to settle domestic violence between Akudo and Asanwa. You know, their usual way of living. Onye nkak, all the time.
Papa, leave those people alone. I mean, are they not tired of fighting? For how long will they continue like this? See, Papa, you have your own family issues to settle.
We
just go inside. I'm tired
already. Don't worry about the bag. I hope you come with it.
Good afternoon.
Oh, remember to greet your daddy.
How are you? Fine. I miss you. Don't worry, eh? Very soon I will come and carry you here. We'll go to the city and live, okay? Okay. Come and take you out of here. Eh? I'm glad he's being a good boy.
I can't wait. Has he had the siesta?
Yes, sister. But Anayo's mother was here today. She was so angry.
Huh?
My mother came here.
Yes. Sister, if you were here, it would have been a different game. I've never seen her like that. Even when Paul came out to greet her and call her grandmother, she just pushed him away.
What?
What?
My mother pushed him away.
Yes.
Polo.
Wait.
Going home. No. Don't obi me. I'm trying to know why my own mother pushed my son away. Her grandson. Boy, I'm coming. Okay? I'm coming. Just wait.
Wait. My dear, let the war begin. Oh, yes.
If you see the way she pushed him.
For what now? She's lucky I wasn't around. It's alright.
I perceived bitter leaf soup inside just now. So me, I want to know if it's still remaining because I'm very hungry.
There is no food for you in this house.
Huh?
King Solomon, there is no food for you in this house. Go to your second wife's home and ask her for food.
Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? Is it because I've been keeping quiet?
Anayo!
So because I've been keeping quiet, you now run your mouth like tap water. Are you out of your mind?
Are you out of your mind?
You talking to me like that?
Did you slap my daughter?
No. I just contoured her face.
Please, Biko. Let me go and give him food to eat.
No way! Anayo will not eat in my house. I am your mother. Since you have decided not to obey me in this house, your sister will never obey you.
You don't want to give me food?
Woman rapper, you slapped me.
I'll slap you
Try
again. Very stupid girl. You're talking to me as if I'm your mate. Don't you know I'm your elder brother?
Ozugonu. It's okay. Let me go and give him food, Mama Biko. Anaya, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
No. If you talk to me again, if you are...
What will happen? What will happen? I just want to give you food. Let them know I'm not feeding you in this house.